Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to order PCB from JLCPCB. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now this is the official website. You will need to create an account and then get instant quote. Okay, click on that. Now right here we start editing. So we will firstly need to add Gerber files. So if you have them, that's really cool. So open up. Now we will need to wait that's load up. Now we can choose here base material, layers, dimensions, PCB quantity, produce type. Then we have bunch of different things, different design, delivery format, PCB color, um, thickness we have over here. Then we have some high spec options and so on. All right. So this is basically the base if you just need the PCB and you have your own components. Now, if you don't have it, but you will like that they assemble the PCB, you will need to check on this PCB assembly right over here. Now you go again through these specifications right here. And when you set them as you want, you will hit right here next button here on the right side, and here you will see PCB top bottom. Now we go to bill of materials. So right here we will add boom file, and then here add CPL file, so pick and place file, just like that, and then proceed boom and CPL. Now we will go to the component placement. Okay, so here you will see what they have, what you can change. So as you can see, we have right here unmatched components like that. When we are happy, you can also add it, and then we go next. Select. Okay, so I will select all of them right here. I will leave that one out. Don't place, for example. And right here we will see now component placement. Just a moment that this thing loads up. Okay, so now when this processing file's finished, you will see basically just PCB and the components placed on it. Nothing that special. You will just see how it's everything placed, and you will see them where they are. So you can change nothing here. Then you will hit next. Here you will see the price and so on, and then save to cart, and that's pretty much it. You can order now your PCB from JLC PCB. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next.